Given the fact that we just keep wringing our hands and talking about how uncertain everything is and we can't really forecast or see very far out, how do you hedge, right? How do you sort of tentatively position at a time when potentially there are still big gains to be made, and yet there is so much uncertainty?
Well, I actually think the biggest risk to markets is that we don't get a recession in 2023. The wage growth stays high, and the Fed, having maybe paused for a bit in March, then in the second half of the year, they actually end up putting rates up by more than is forecast and aren't able to deliver the rate cuts that the market's expecting for 2024. So, in that world, unfortunately, you're back into a world where both bonds and stocks would go down together. So I think you need to hedge using options rather than your kind of traditional diversification play.
Do you think that that's a likely
outcome?
outcome?
It's not our base case.
Do you think that's a likely outcome?
Our base case is that you're going to get a recession in 2023. That will allow wage pressures to moderate, and then that the Fed can actually cut rates in 2024. My best guess is the Fed are going to bring rates down to about 2.5% by the end of 2024, which of course is broadly in line with what the market's pricing now, give or take.